Hello friends, welcome back to my channel to this video. And this is the product just came today from Flipkart. So, dal for fortune kachi ghani mustard oil, synthol original Godrej synthol soap, and there is aloo dum masala 50 gram, chicken curry masala, there is 50 gram, and cumin powder is 100 gram, nani, and there is coriander powder, natural oils, Tata Sampann, and this is, I think this is 50 gram, no, this is 100 gram, and kala jeera, JK kala jeera, I don't know how much, 50 gram net weight. Okay, and this is white peas, mayurang white peas, and this weighs 500 gram, and this one is chana, brown chana, 1 kg, and there it is turmeric powder 1+1 free. This is turmeric powder 1+1 free. Which brand? Buy one get one. Flipkart Grocery. It is Flipkart Grocery. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.